Hello everyone, this is Alex from VSTAR. Here introducing VSTAR's transparent LED film display. With its high transparency, our display is almost invisible when not in use. The base material, which is made of high temperature resistant PET film, ensures that display is durable and long-lasting. It's ultra-light and thin design with a thickness of 3mm and lightweight. Makes it incredibly easy to handle and install. This is highly flexible and can be pasted onto curved glass buildings, allowing for creative and innovative designs and wide viewing angle. Installation is quick and easy, with the display able to be directly pasted onto any glass surface. With these impressive features, VSTAR's transparent LED film display is the perfect solution for creating a stunning and unique display. For more information, please contact us at info@ledvstr.com. Company website www.ledvstr.com or www.vstrlightng.com.